This is a massive escalation that's taken place in Jaipur. The Congress student protest that has turned into a battleground, and it is Sachin Pilot of the Congress party who was carried out of the protest. He was in fact lifted on shoulders and brought to barricades. This is the escalation that has taken place with the police there using water cannons on protesters, and the Congress there demanding the student body polls. Of course, Sachin Pilot needed to be carried out. Protesters have broken barricades, and it was Sachin Pilot who was carried out on shoulders and brought to barricades, with the police there releasing water cannons, and the protesters asked to disperse. And this is a major action that has taken place in Jaipur. If you can see visuals of how bad it got, with all of this being caught on camera, and it was Congress leader Sachin Pilot who was lifted on shoulders and brought to barricades. So this is a protest that was ongoing, and with that the police needed to take action. They retorted to using water cannons in order to disperse the crowd that had gathered. These are protesters, and they tried to break barricades. As you can see, they're trying to get onto those barricades, and the police there using water cannons in order to disperse the protesters who had gathered. So of course, this is the police there trying to do their job in order to disperse the protesters. But because things went out of hand, Congress leader Sachin Pilot, who was there, needed to be carried out of that protest. He was carried out on the shoulders of people in order to get out of this demonstration that was taking place with these protesters there gathering in Jaipur. So a massive escalation that has taken place in Jaipur with the Congress student protest there turning into a battleground, with Sachin Pilot there needing to be carried out. My colleague Harsha Kumari joining us on the phone line in order to get us the latest. Harsha, we are seeing visuals of how people were trying to jump barricades, break barricades, and it was Sachin Pilot who was there who needed to be carried out on shoulders.
Well, yes, the protest is still going on. In fact, right now Sachin Pilot has sat down on Dharna. Another leader from Rajasthan, Mukesh Bhakkar, is being carried out. And as you can see in the visuals in front of me, now the police has managed to somewhat control the situation. And Sachin Pilot, who was on shoulders, he was lifted by two NSUI activists. As soon as the police saw that he was coming very close to the barricades, that's when they started using the water cannons to disperse the crowd. They also have R2 gas on standby, but that's not being used as of now. For now, it does appear that the protest. Is dissipating. But Sachin Pilot in the middle of the crowd now being taken away by the police.
So we can see visuals, Harsha, reporting from Ground Zero. Take us to what are the demands of these protesters? What is really going on here?
Well, the protesters have been demanding for a long time that there should be student union elections in Rajasthan as per the Lindu Committee's recommendations. The Lindu Committee had said that 6 to 8 months into an academic session, there should be student union elections. But the government has not so far announced student union elections, and Sachin Pilot in his speech also said that whether it is whether it's the Panchayat Chunav or the municipal elections, the government is not holding the elections in Rajasthan. He called out the government for this and said in democracy, student union elections must happen. So that's what the protest is about. There have been no student union elections in Rajasthan since 2023.
Right, and of course the Congress party there, needed to take out its leaders out of there, and literally carrying them on shoulders in order to get out of this protest. With so many of those protesters trying to break barriers, as we can see, and while this continues, even though the police is taking matters into their own hands and retorting to using of water cannons.
Yes, the police has had to resort to water cannons and a bit of, light, not a lathi charge exactly, but just light, force to get people to disperse. So that is what's happened here. They were wanting to march to the Chief Minister's office.
Demands are being heard as far as the protesters are concerned. They're raising, also taking matters into their own hands, trying to break barriers there.
इनके कानून मानेगा, इनकी नियम मानेगा वही भारतीय है। बाकी के साथ इन्होंने आतंकवादियों की तरह जिस तरीके से बिहेवियर किया है, मैं समझता हूं कि इससे बड़ी निंदा इस भाजपा सरकार की हो नहीं सकती। अब आप देख सकते हैं
जवाब देंगे मौजूदा विधायक को जिस तरीके से ये पकड़ रहे हैं। हमारे पेट में, मैं NSY का अध्यक्ष हूँ और इस तरीके से उठा रहे जैसे गुंडे हैं। हम छात्र संघ चुनाव की मांग कर रहे हैं, पेट में घोंसे मार रहे हैं, डंडों से मार रहे हैं।
As you can see, Congress student wing protests taking place in Jaipur. These are students. Harsha with us in order to get us the very latest. Harsha, take us through the demands being made. What is, basically this is of course the opposition being targeted there with, Sachin Pilot being made. He had to leave from that venue, from that event. He was carried on the shoulders of two people. Take us through what are the demands being made and what is the government really saying on this?
Well, yes, what the demand really is that there should be a student union elections. That really is the demand here. And when Sachin Pilot sort of was part of the protest, and when he attempted to go towards the barricades, then people picked him up on shoulders and took him towards the barricade, and that's when the police sort of realized that under his leadership thing may get a little out of control. So they started using the water cannons as a deterrent. Apart from that, the situation now appears to be under control, but of course this is the big ticket protest by the Congress NSUI wing of the Congress in Rajasthan, demanding that student union elections be held.
Body polls in the state of Rajasthan is something, of course, that the students have taken to the streets in order to protest against this, standing there, demonstrating, and of course, the police there taking matters into their own hands, taking action. But this is after, of course, we did see that Sachin Pilot was carried by these protesters on their shoulders to the barricade. Harsha, get us details of course, Sachin Pilot now we believe has left from the venue. He was made to leave.
Yes, well, yes, Sachin has been removed from the spot from here. In fact, he proceeded to do a sit down right here in the middle of the protest, but he has been removed from here, and now the protest has more or less been dispersed. But as I said, the whole protest is about student union elections, and of course a big boost for the NSUI because they got Sachin Pilot to be part of this protest, which gave it a certain political sort of platform, and because of that, this entire exercise acquired the proportions that it did. The police has now managed to control the crowd, and they have taken away leaders from here who were part of the protest.
Of course, the Congress party there coming out in full, support of the demands of the students in regard to that, whether it is Ashok Gehlot, demanding that the state government restore the student union elections in Rajasthan, which have remained suspended since December of 2023, Harsha.
Well, yes, since 2023, in fact, since the last elections, the government said that because they had to conduct elections, so that's why taking that plea, they did not have student union elections. Now that elections are completed, the Congress has realized that this is an issue that will resonate with the youth. Remember, the youth are a key vote bank. The Congress definitely key to cash in on this kind of issue, which resonates with the vote bank. This also, in the name of one nation, one election, the BJP government in Rajasthan has also said that elections for the panchayats and for the municipal bodies will be held together in November. So the student unions have been building up the tempo on this. They met Ashok Gehlot, who backed their demand. They also moved the High Court on this issue. And now, of course, this big ticket protest in the heart of Jaipur, which saw Sachin Pilot leading the protest.